Nice, Mr. Light is back with the Grinch. Oh yeah, happy December, everyone. Now, why am I at the dumpster when I should have been in the Hoop Forest? Yeah, I forgot something. Remember all those machine parts we picked up? Yeah, I forgot to send them away. Which is what I'm going to do by breaking this and feeding the robot parts to the computer.
Good boy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That sound totally Grinches me.
Right. I will be back momentarily just after I've got back to Hoop Forest. I'm only doing this quickly. I'll be back soon. See you in a moment, guys. And I'm back. Welcome to Hoop Forest. Right, what are we doing here? Well, actually, we're here to visit some new areas and basically to do replace the candles on the cake with fireworks. That's the mission we gotta do, and that's what we're gonna do now. So first off, we want to be honest, we want to climb this first. So let's get the octopus climbing device. Let's climb up this wall and see what's up here. Okay. Yeah. You want to let go as soon as you get to the top, and that'll let you grab the edge. But you've got to be right to the point where the Grinch can't climb anymore. Yeah, it's that ridiculous. Right, so these are basically breaking presents. That was a bit stupid, but whatever. But what we want to do is go over here and climb that. Now, this is where it gets a little bit interesting. When we enter here... No, wait, is this the one? Or am I thinking of something else? No, hang on. Right, go in here. This is an area we couldn't get to before without the octopus climber. The Mountain Civic Center. Now this is pretty annoying. This is a timed puzzle now. And a rather annoying one. So if you don't know what to do, I'll show you. We'll grab these. First off, pull the lever. That raises the bridge. Then what you want to do is literally climb up here. Now I got a funny feeling I've messed this up. Go across here. I'm gonna skip that so I can get up here. Come on, hurry, I gotta get across that bridge. Okay. Now, let's go this way. Right. Did you notice that up there? That weird thing. That target-like thing. You'll see what I can do with that. You'll see what it is. And trust me, it's really bizarre. First off,
go, Max!
Go in there, Max. I want those presents destroyed. Very good, buddy. Right. That there target thing. I'll get my rotten egg launcher and shoot it. And it drops a firework. I am serious. That's what you do. You've got to pick those up. And there's 10 of them around here. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Now, quick, quick, quick. Made it. Right, here's what we gotta do. These things here. We gotta break all 10 of them.
Another one!
This is gonna be interesting. That house there, the one with the guy guarding it. That's where we need to go for to put the fireworks on.
Another one!
Okay, I did not count on it. No. There it is. Wow, that really messed up there.
Take this!
And we...
Ouch! It's unbearable!
Yeah, this is what happens if you fail. You have to go right back down here again. And you got... What am I doing? I just realized I don't need to do that again. I've already been that way, so I don't need to go that way now, huh? Okay, so we don't need to worry. Yeah, also, the octopus climber does use up a lot of eggs. A little annoying, guaranteed. I know there's a present I've missed out on the other side, but I'm not worried about it. Let's get my slime shooter. I've got some guards to eliminate. Okay, we got him, but sadly we got hit by that. Bit annoying, but heck, we can deal with that. We can get our health back by breaking these presents. Right, now then, I want that firework.
Another one!
That's the 4th one now. We still have to get some more, though. Now, if I remember, there's a guy over here I want to deal with. Here we go. Now, where are you, mate? I knew he's around here somewhere. Oh, I got him! This present's here, so I got the guy. Fair enough. Right, what we want to do now is just... There's nothing there, is there? Good. I'll tell you one thing, I might say not do that yet. I'm not going to bother breaking many more presents, to be honest, except if I need them for help. Right, let's go up here. This is what I was thinking of. Right, first off, bats. You want to sneak past them. Right. Yeah, might as well. It's there. Right. Now you want to get across here. Okay. Now, let's just go this way. Down here. That there, you can't actually break it, no matter what you try. You can't break the ice that's guarding that blueprint. You might be wondering, then how the heck do you get it? Oh, I'll show you. First off, we want to go back up here. So we're going to need my jetpack. Or jet spring as it is. Go up here. Full power. Right, now that's done. That didn't work. Pretty sure that wasn't supposed to happen. Yeah, just why do it. Let's try this again. Okay. Wow! Oh, my friend, I remember now. I gotta do the butt bounce. If I don't do that, I can't get across. Now I remember what I'm doing wrong. Here we go. Lovely. Right. What you want to do is... Well, I missed it, sadly. There's a ledge there you can grab. You want to grab it and go across to the other side. And what we're going to do as soon as I get there. Okay, go here. Here's the ledge, yes. Oh boy, now. Thing you gotta know about this. This is a very long ledge. I'm quite amazed that this is here because it takes a while to get across. Any day now. Ah, there's the edge. We'll be getting down in a mo. Here we are. Let's get down. Blueprint for the Grinch copter. Right, what we want to do is get our rotten egg launcher and shoot these. Okay, there's one. Okay, not that one. Okay, now the other thing I want to do is shoot the one by here. That smashes it to bits. So now we can go and pick up this blueprint.
Gotcha!
Which is another piece of the Grinch copter. Right. Now then. Jetpack. There we go. Okay, let me try doing it from here, actually. Yeah, we can't. We have to go here, then jump up. Okay, so this is gonna get a bit annoying, guaranteed. Oops, do I do that? Wow, jeez, you actually have to go up there? Do you? Seriously, that'll be ridiculous. Then, if you do that, what's the point of this one? Okay, now I'm up there. Okay, now we get the octopus climber. Yeah, just that way, I believe, only a present. And that way leads up here too. Now we climb up here.
Ouch!
Oh, you little fibbing annoying.
Ouch!
Okay, this is annoying. Just wait to mow. And he's down for the count. Let's get some health back. There we go. Out we go as soon as I break this wall. With my rotten eggs. Okay, hang on. Right, see that guy there? There's a very snaky way to do this. There we go, he's dealt with. Now, let's see, is there anything here? Nope. Let's shoot that. Okay, here we go. Oh my flip, are you joking? Yep, now we gotta do it again. This is gonna annoy me eventually. Sneak by the bats. Okay. Go down to the bottom. I messed that up big time. Right, let's go pick up some rotten eggs. Get our energy back. Just a bit of energy anyway. But it'll do. We weren't close enough to the edge. Try again. Wow! This is ridiculous! Okay, I can't miss it this time. I told you I couldn't miss it. Oops. Go that way. Then get my claws. And up we go. And seriously, we need some more eggs. Now this part, when we get to the top and have to go, that part I missed out on again, it's going to be a bit annoying. No rotten eggs up here, go figure. Okay, here we go. First we gotta go up. Oh no! Okay, interesting enough, I didn't have to. I think I'll miss out on these presents. Right, now that we've done that, we now need to go this way. Oh dear. This guy's sleeping. And he's out cold. Get my slime shooter. There we go. Now, these guys. To do this, get the rotten egg launcher.
Super toy.
Okay, that's annoying. Okay, we got him down, but the other one's still there. First off, I want to get some more rotten eggs. Basically, you gotta hit the targets on them. And keep pushing them until they fall off the flipping edge. Well, I mean, I want to shoot that now. So we get...
Another one!
Oh, hang on. I forgot to go this way. Yes, this way too.
Ouch!
Nice going, dude. Firework of paint.
Ouch! Ouch!
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Ah, no biggie, I can do it. Right. There is one up there, I believe, so we need to go get it. First off, we're gonna get some more rotten eggs. Oh, seriously, we need them. Break these to get some health back. Yeah, probably gonna have to split this video up again, won't I? Grab that as well. Okay. Let's go back up. Now you can go away. There we go. I keep forgetting I gotta do the double bounce, haven't I? Yep. If I don't do double, I can't really easily get across. Keep forgetting that, don't I? Okay, it wasn't far enough. Let's try that again. You'll probably notice, if you pick up the plants as soon as they grow, they only give you 1 rotten egg. Whereas if you leave them for a while until they fully bloom, you get 5. And the maximum you can hold is 200. Oh, actually I want to get this, don't I? There we go. Now then, let's click that.
Another one!
There's only 1 left. First off. There we go. Now.
Go, Max!
That's right. We need to get Max to go get this firework for us. Now we got all the fireworks sticks. So what do we do next? See this house here? What you want to do is shoot that and that.
Oh!
And he's knocked unconscious. Got all the fireworks. So let's go in here to the banquet chalets. Whatever that is. So we're going to do that in a mo after I've just got these presents. Ah. Oh, there's one. I wondered why there's only 1 present. It's firework time.
I want to propose a toast to the best mayor of Whoville history. Cheers!
Thank you, my friend. For 25 years, I have tried to do the best job I can, and I swear I'll continue in the same fashion for the next 25 years.
Wow!
And now, the main attraction, the cake!
What an explosive party we'll have tonight.
Happy birthday, Mr. President. Happy birthday to you. Ha ha hoo. And by the way, you're Grinched.
And there we go. We've managed to pull that one off. But guess what? There's another mission we can do if we were to go this time to the dumpster. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my way to the dumpster area. Out of the way, Max. We're going to go to the dumpster area now, just so I can stop the video at that point. And then we're going to go to do the mission that we haven't done in the dumpster area yet. If you thought this mission was flipping long, oh boy, wait till you see what I've got in store for you in the next part. And something tells me the next part's going to be, again, 2 of them. Or 3, depending on how long it actually takes me to do. This is probably a 2-part vid. Probably took me about half an hour to do all this. But heck, we got a couple of good stuff. Including more blueprints for the Grinch copter. So let's go to the dumpster. Okay. And go into here. We'll go to Who Lake after we've done this mission. Because now there's only 1 mission left. short-circuiting the power plant. So, next time we go to short-circuit the power plant, and actually, I'm going to see you guys at that point, where the power plant is. I'll see you guys next video. Happy December, by the way.